Introduction. The social media scene is ever changing, becoming more impressive with each passing day. For sales agents in New York, keeping up with these shifts can seem like a daunting challenge, yet it's crucial to do so. Mastering social media doesn't just give you a leg up in engaging with clients, it opens avenues to forge real connections. But how do you actually turn those online interactions into meaningful conversations? That's where solid coaching techniques come into play, helping you navigate social media effectively to boost customer engagement. It's not enough to merely exist on social media platforms. Sales agents need to be proactive, finding ways to make interactions on platforms like Instagram and Facebook far more engaging and authentic, whether through using video content, starting conversations in comments, or hosting live sessions. Adopting effective strategies can transform how clients perceive and interact with you online. Identifying your audience on social media, understanding your audience is like holding the key to a treasure chest of opportunities on social media. Knowing not just who they are, but what makes them tick, defines how you should approach your strategy for engagement. Social media platforms churn out a huge amount of data each day. The trick is to use that data to paint a clear picture of your audience. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook have built-in analytics tools that offer insights into who views and interacts with your content. These tools can help pinpoint your audience's age, location, and interests. To effectively engage, you should utilize analytics tools. They provide insight into your audience's online habits and preferences, enabling you to tailor content that resonates. Create customer personas. Imagine detailed characters that represent the traits and habits of your typical clients. This could be budgeting Billy, who's cost-conscious, or tech-savvy Tara, who loves the latest gadgets. Regularly review feedback. Whether it's in comments, direct messages, or online reviews, feedback can offer a trove of information about what your audience enjoys or is curious about. By truly understanding your audience, you can create a content strategy that speaks directly to them. This means crafting messages that not only capture attention but also inspire action, keeping the engagement meter high and leading to stronger relationships. Creating engaging content is king, especially in the world of social media. With countless posts competing for attention, creating content that cuts through the noise is key. This doesn't mean getting flashy, but rather being thoughtful and strategic in your approach. Here's how to craft content that engages and excites. First, diversify your content types. While text can be straightforward and powerful, the richness of visual content cannot be overstated. Videos and images are incredibly engaging, often leading to higher interaction rates as they're easy to digest and share. Polls and quizzes also provide a fun way for users to interact with your content directly. Next, tell stories. Humans are naturally drawn to narratives, so wrap your messages in stories that your audience can relate to. Whether you're sharing client success stories or small snippets of your daily work routine, present them in a way that your audience finds relatable and genuine. Finally, plan carefully. Consistency is critical for maintaining interest and building your audience's trust. Develop a content calendar. This keeps your posting schedule organized and ensures you mix up content types effectively. By planning ahead, you can also tie your posts to upcoming events or trends, keeping your content fresh and timely. With these strategies in place, your content will not only engage but also build a solid foundation for constantly growing your online community. Interactive techniques to boost engagement. Bringing your audience into the conversation can turn casual viewers into active participants. Interactive techniques on social media are no longer just an option but a necessity for boosting engagement. Live Q&A sessions, for instance, allow real-time interaction with your followers. Imagine setting aside a day each month to answer questions live on Instagram or Facebook. It not only gives your audience a face to connect with, but also shows you value their input. Webinars present another outstanding opportunity. By hosting webinars on topics that intrigue your audience, you provide immediate value and an interactive experience. This is a great way to showcase expertise and invite dialogue. A monthly webinar can become a staple for your community, fostering a deeper connection with followers. Incorporating fun elements like contests can spark excitement. Whether it's a photo contest related to your field or a simple comment contest, prizes motivate people to participate and share your content. These interactive methods can greatly enhance how followers engage with your brand, making interactions memorable and meaningful. Analyzing and adapting your strategies. Tracking your progress on social media is just as important as creating captivating content. By keeping a close eye on engagement metrics, you can figure out what truly resonates with your audience. Platforms like Instagram Insights or Facebook Analytics offer a wealth of data, from post reach to interaction rates. Analyzing this data helps in fine-tuning your strategy, ensuring it aligns well with your audience's changing preferences. Constantly adapting is the secret to staying relevant. Use insights from these analytics tools to pivot your approach when things aren't quite hitting the mark. Maybe your audience prefers visuals over text, or perhaps live interactions evoke better responses. Adapting your methods ensures you hit the right notes with your audience's evolving interests. Schedule regular reviews of your performance to stay on top of trends and react to shifts in audience behavior. These reviews, be they bi-weekly or monthly, provide a structured way to assess progress and pinpoint areas needing improvement. This approach will allow you to develop a dynamic and adjustable strategy, setting up your social media efforts for long-term success. Building a community. Creating a community goes beyond gaining followers. It's about fostering a connected group that sees value in your brand. A thriving online community can act like your word-of-mouth marketers, advocating for your services from a place of genuine trust. Respond swiftly to comments and messages to show you're attentive and care about their input, which builds rapport and trust. Encourage discussions in groups or forums. Facebook groups, for instance, are excellent for creating private spaces where your audience can interact, share knowledge, and collaborate. As a moderator, pose questions or share thought-provoking articles to stimulate interaction and community growth. Effective community management also includes celebrating milestones with your followers. Thank them for their support and share highlights of your brand's journey with them. This reinforces their sense of belonging to something bigger than themselves. Enhancing your social media presence. Optimizing your profiles is a simple but effective step in enhancing visibility. Ensure your branding remains consistent. Use similar colors, fonts, and logos across platforms to create a cohesive look. Ensure information about your services, contact details, and call to actions are clear and visible. Incorporate location tags and relevant hashtags, specifically those relating to New York, to attract a local audience. This positioning helps you reach users already interested in local services, strengthening your connection within your community. Connecting with local influencers or businesses can amplify your reach. Collaborating on projects or content gives you access to their audience and creates an opportunity for mutual growth. Such partnerships can boost both your presence and brand credibility, all while nurturing a network of trusted professionals. Bringing it all together, the techniques highlighted here put the power in your hands to deepen engagement on social media with ease. The real key lies in being consistent, adaptive, and genuine in your interactions. Social media provides a channel for real human connection, a chance to go beyond surface-level interactions to create something meaningful. Continuous learning and adjusting to trends help not just in keeping pace, but in defining the pace. Authenticity in your digital interactions reinforces the human touch that resonates most. By putting these coaching techniques into practice, you lay the foundation for a solid, engaging social media presence that develops loyal followers and supports your business growth. To explore more about how to effectively grow your presence on social media, consider connecting with our expert team of social media marketing consultants. At Ask 8, we specialize in crafting strategies tailored to your business needs, helping you thrive in the ever-changing digital landscape. Embrace the opportunity to elevate your social media strategy and engage more meaningfully with your audience. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance. I'm living it as a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant. I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. All the best to your success.